All right, back we go. It is Sunday, March 27th. Man, the month's flying by. Um, Checking out some of these stocks, IPO, stock madness. I'm calling it March madness. A lot of these stocks recently, I say last year, 2 years, even 3 years, have come about. And we're taking a look because they're making big moves. And wearing these glasses, staring at the computer too long, they're really good. They're by Element, Lux, Lux. If you try them on Amazon, it really, when you put them on, it really takes out the white of the computer and it makes them completely like dark orange, but not too dark. You can't see the screen. Really good. All right, let's check out IMPP, Imperial Petroleum Incorporated. I don't know if I did this before the other week. I don't have my YouTube up. Let me see if I did this. I don't know. Let's take a look here. I know I did CEI, and that's sort of like in between. We'll get the CEI too. So this came about in what was this? December 6th, 2021. Late volume, 238,000. Then it came down. January, February, it did spike up. It was a weird spike, and then really just floated down. Look at these very tiny candles. 1.3 million had good volume. Over a million, but very tight and small. And then right here, the thing too on charts and patterns can really identify things. When you see this go this way and then down, this hit a low of 48 cents. What do you see here? Mainly, they're all like the same type candles. You see an open green candle, very small, but look, the volume. There it is, right there. You have 113 million in volume. Then it moved up. You had a bearish candle. They tried to push it down. It was a fake out. You had a crossover 13 over 20 EMA. And then off we go. The war in Russia, oil really moves hard. A lot of these stocks, this is a newer stock, a lot of oil stocks were being pressed down, probably shorted. And really started to move. Oil's been running too. If I look over at FinBiz, let me see, where are we at? March. Yeah, it was at 90, about 90, we'll say, and then it really exploded up. So, this followed oil pretty much. And then a big bearish candle after this hit a high of 970, came down, got down, and this is where we're at. So, the big move down, just like the big move up. Now we're at 521 stochastic, extremely oversold. Where's this going to go now? Still a very liquid volume here. You're below 2. Is this going to drop back, keep fading back? Let's look at the weekly. Not much to go on. This is so new. You get a big shooting star up, it's down. You can't see. There's nothing to go on really. It's very new stock. Coming about December 2021. But I would look for this. If this can get over 2, the main move here, where we got here, 250. Look for that 3 area right here, because this big candle, maybe a little above 350. If we can get above that. And right now, it's going back and forth. This low here, this 144, I wouldn't want it to go below that. You can see here the 150 line, because then it could start maybe doing this, bouncing, fading, going down, and then back down to $1.50. Let's see if we get any information on FinViz. 108 million market cap, 4.3% institutional ownership. Insiders have nothing. I don't see a float on this on FinViz. They provide international seaborne transportation services to oil producers, refineries, commodities, traders. September 30th, 2021, it owns operates cargo fleet with a capacity of 255,000 GWT. Is based in, company was incorporated 2021 and based in Athens, Greece. Excuse me. Operates independently of Stealth Gas, December 3rd, 2021. So not much to go on. It's relatively newer here on these charts. Made a big move up. I'm assuming the float's low. I don't have it here right in front of me in FinViz. As this goes up, look at this. Comes straight down. That's why in these moves, On these, you can make, big money swing trade, even more than probably day trading. Once you see this move above, and then you see this, back and forth, that could have maybe shook some people out. Have your stop down here, you're fine. But then, wait for the big move. Now, the reason in this, you have, my finger here. You have one, let's see here. The Russian war, Ukraine, oil spiking. You have, this is probably a low float. A lot of these oil stocks were, pushed down. Traders jumping in on it. Traders see this, chat rooms, over news, different news sites, Yahoo, whatever, Discord chat rooms, Reddit, and Wall Street Bets. And you're gonna have a lot of people push this. Look at the volume here, 200 million. That's why these move up, and then they come down hard when they get out. So, a lot of these videos too, if you don't understand, a lot of traders understand this. A lot of people don't know stocks; they don't understand anything about stocks. So, it's a long educational process to continue learning. And so it went up, and then traders got out, it goes down. And now what are they doing with it? So that's the key question here. So, this low, 144, and then we see if we get some sort of move to spike up. It's oversold here. So, oversold can stay oversold. So we'll see what happens with this. Let me see this. Announces date for release fourth quarter, 12 months. Financials, that was 27th. Now it's close of upside 60 million underwrite public offering. That was the 23rd. There's dividends, not much other news. Recently. All right, so take a look at this one. So the chart explains, this made a big move up way 2021, came down hard. When you see stuff come down hard, eventually it will bounce. Just a matter of when. That's harder to determine. But this happened because of all that, what I just said previously, went up. We're sort of in between now. What are we going to do? Go fade back? Or are we going to spike up again and keep going? So that is the question. Look for them areas for support resistance, and we'll see how this one plays out. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Caveman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out any links below. Social media, and leave comments about any stocks you're in, like the stocks I'm doing the videos on. Any questions, any thoughts you have, any information. It's always good. That's it. Peace.